Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is we are going to update our LG V50 Thinq 5G from Android 10 into Android 11. Yes, so I actually started downloading it guys, but it says here cool down the phone to finish updating. So I am going to have it connected to a charger, and I'm just gonna wait until it will resume downloading. And now guys, at the moment the software, it's already downloaded, and it says here the new OS upgrade is ready to be installed. This upgrade includes the latest features for your phone. So we're going to tap on restart. Okay. So let's just wait for it guys. Okay, so it says there U5G, U plus 5G. So actually for the bubbles here guys, that is from the hydrogel that I installed. So yeah, it's not a scratch. So guys, this is now our LG V50 on Android 11. So the thing that I noticed guys is the drop down notification. Yes, it is now in kind of different style. Yes, so they have white and blue, and then I think that it's a little bit bigger, the icons. And in the camera guys, they already have here the Google Lens, so it's already in the built-in app, in the LG app. Yes, and so far guys, I think it's, for me, it's kind of good, but it's too early for me to judge. So I'll be testing this one out guys for around for 1 week, and I will let you know if there are any differences with the battery and also its performance. Okay guys, so again, this is Josh, and if you have any questions about the LG V50 Thinq, just comment down below and let me know if you want me to do more gaming on this phone. Alright guys, so this is now the Android 11 of our LG V50 Thinq. Yes, there you go. So I will see you guys again in our next video, and then don't forget to like if you like this video, and then consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, so see you guys on our next video.